If you're trying to level up your life and still thinking like the average people, then you're already lost. Smart thinking is not about IQ. Smart thinking is not about solving tough problems in less time. It's about how you process reality around you. Let me give you an example. अगर दो लोग हैं जो कि एक सेम रास्ते पर चलते हैं, सेम प्रॉब्लम्स को हैंडल करते हैं, सेम ऑब्स्टिकल्स को हैंडल करते हैं, बट बिलीव मी आफ्टर द जर्नी दे विल बी अ डिफरेंट पीपल. How? Let me tell you this. When a guy is walking or going somewhere, that they have their own self-beliefs, they have their self-statements to themselves, and these are the things which makes them different. Might be उनके सामने सेम रियलिटी आती है, बट वो सेम रियलिटी उनके सेल्फ बिलीव के अकॉर्डिंगली डिफरेंट रिएक्ट करती हैं. दिस इज़ द पॉइंट आई एम टेलिंग यू दिस कि हर एक किसी की सोचने की शक्ति अलग होती है. वो किस तरीके से सोचते हैं उससे बहुत ज़्यादा मैटर करता है कि वो उस चीज़ से क्या सीख सकते हैं. And let me tell you why most people stay stuck. Because they copy thoughts instead of questioning them. तुम्हें क्वेश्चन करना चाहिए हर एक जगह पे. तुम्हें सिर्फ कॉपी नहीं करना होता है. You need to understand this. It is okay. I am telling you this. You can copy me. Nope. You need to understand it and अपने सेल्फ बिलीव के पास जो भी थॉट्स है मेरे वो लेके जाओ और उसको किस तरीके से तुम रिफाइन कर सकते हो अपनी थिंकिंग के अकॉर्डिंगली. That is what I'm talking about. Most people don't realize it, but let me tell you this. Thinking is a skill. They just react, they just follow trends, they chase dopamine. But जो भी high level thinkers होते हैं वो differently move करते हैं इन सारी situations से. If you want to become undeniable, unapologetic in college, in business or in any other field, then let me tell you this. This is the video which you need and I'll tell you that where it starts. Stop consuming, start questioning. Or if I refine it, keep consuming but refine it according to your thinking. Scroll culture is killing your brain, I'm telling you this. Everyone consuming the same content, but जो भी real ones होते हैं वो question ask करते हैं कि why it is like that, why there is no one who can do better, why I cannot do it better, what are the things which they are able to teach me and I can refine it according to my own thinking. They ask to themselves that why this idea exists, who will get the benefits if I believe in it, what will happen if I do opposite. Geniuses are not information junkies जो कि information को capture करते हैं उसकी तरह refine हो जाते हैं. Nope. वो information को अपने accordingly refine करते हैं. They are strategic. That's why they always win. They use their own brain without having any conclusion about any thought. Think in first principles, not opinions. Let me tell you what this means. Most of the people build their own dreams on the borrowed ideas. किसी ने कुछ बताया उसके accordingly अपने idea को मान लिया, अपने दिमाग को मान लिया, अपने सपने को मान लिया. What their parents said कि स्कूल जाओ या ये करो या वो करो, जो भी उनके आसपास जो भी उन्हें बड़ा समझते हैं उनसे उन्होंने सुना और उसे मान लिया. उन्होंने खुद की थिंकिंग के अकॉर्डिंगली उसे रिफाइन नहीं किया. या फिर देख लिया कि यूट्यूब इंस्टाग्राम पे क्या ट्रेंड कर रहा है, then I'm gonna do that. It is okay to follow trend, but you need to understand if I say कि like why I'm doing YouTube. I have my own refining system कि like why I choose to do this. So these are the points you need to understand why. You have to ask questions to yourself. I am gonna share with you my first principle that कि why I choose YouTube or why I am deciding to do YouTube. I am in a college. What I can do? I can do internship. By the internship, I'll be able to get a good job. But believe me, I am not a job person. To be honest, even if I am getting a perfect job, I won't be able to live together with my family, with my own parents. So this is the thing which I can do at this age. So this is what I'm doing. The first principle I'm talking about. I want to stay with my family. These are the statements which you make about yourself and then you refine the ideas according to it. See, जो भी smart thinkers होते हैं, जो भी चीज़ें सीखना जानते हैं, जो भी चीज़ों को refine करना जानते हैं, they break it down to the raw truth. Most of the people are just gonna get interesting, gonna get smart or everything, gonna get intelligence in everything. They just ask why I'm doing this, why I am doing all this. I hope I'm able to add some value towards your life and I hope I'll be able to get some money out of it at a certain point in my life. And that is what called first principle thinking. Every successful guy whom you study, you will see that कि उन्होंने ये चीज़ें यूज़ करी हैं. एलॉन मस्क को देख लो, उन्होंने यूज़ करी हैं. जब SpaceX की बात आती है तब भी उन्होंने ये चीज़ें यूज़ करी हैं. I use it when I'm solving my problems, my schedule, content creation, GSOC preparation, college timings and everything. Like when I stuck, when I get emergencies, how I can do everything. Question करो खुद से that what are the undeniable, what are the unapologetic things which you know about yourself. Like these are the bold statement about yourself. These are the first principles that you need this or without them you are just half or you are dead. So write it them down because उससे तुम्हारा self character भी embrace होता है. I'm telling you this. So do this. Play long games, not ego games. And let me tell you that what this means. एक एवरेज माइंड जो भी होता है वो हमेशा ऑब्सेस्ड होता है स्मार्ट दिखने के लिए, एक अच्छा दिखने के लिए, लोगों के आसपास अच्छा बनने के लिए, एक अपनी इमेज को अच्छा पोर्ट्रे करने के लिए. जो भी लाइट माइंड सेट होता है, जो भी एक नरिश्ड माइंड सेट होता है, वो हमेशा फोकस करता है हाउ कैन आई बिकम स्मार्ट और हाउ आई कैन बिकम द वन हुम आई वॉन्ट टू लुकिंग लाइक दैट. आई नो द स्टेटमेंट की फेक इट टिल यू मेक इट. It works a lot of time, it works, but some people just get lost in faking it. That's it. Like बस वो फेक ही करते रह जाते हैं and they are not able to do anything. You don't need to prove yourself from day one. It is okay. You show your flaws and everything. I am not perfect. I am open to learn. If anyone who can give advice to me, I listen to them. I try to execute them. हालांकि I am kind of stubborn, but yeah, I still try to learn and try to focus on other people's thinking also. Just study the game which is going around you. Make your move when they matter the most. अभी तुम चाहते हो कि like you portray to themselves, it doesn't matter to be honest. If you focus on yourself at this age, at this early age, you don't need to portray anything in your upcoming years. अगर तुम आज अपने आप पे ध्यान दे लेते हो, आज अपनी skills पर focus कर लेते हो. So I hope you understand that कि play long games, not ego games, जहाँ पे तुम show कर रहे हो, जहाँ तुम portray कर रहे हो लोगों को. Run mental simulations, or you can say that कि manifest करो. Run mental simulation, or you can say that manifestation करो. It is a little bit different from manifestation. You just write in a diary and it is manifested. But when I say that कि mental simulations करो, जो भी तुम कर रहे हो, जो भी तुम चाह रहे हो जाए, उसको अपने मेंटल, अपने दिमाग में उसको बार बार चलाओ. हाउ यू एक्ट करो उस तरीके से, दैट हाउ यू विल एक्ट इफ दैट हैपन, इफ योर ड्रीम बिकम्स ट्रू, देन हाउ यू वुड बिहेव. एंड देयर इज वन मोर थिंग अबाउट दैट कि जब भी तुम मेंटल सिमुलेशंस चलाते हो, देन यू अंडरस्टैंड द प्रॉब्लम्स ऑल्सो, व्हाट आर द प्रॉब्लम्स कैन कम इन. So whenever I'm having a conversation with myself about the things which I'm doing, I ask myself while doing mental simulations that what are the 3 things this could fail? What are the 5 things this could fail? What are the possibilities of this making good profit? If I succeed in this, what are the changes will I see in my life? And what is the hidden cost of success here? Listen to me. Any project you are doing, or like I'll say ki everything you are doing, if you want success in that, then there will always be a cost. You just need to identify the cost. Okay, identify it because it is important. You don't even realize that what the cost has been you paid for the success, so that you can handle that success. Thinking smart keeps you ahead from the people, but just don't try to acting fast or like you are just saying that I know everything. That is overconfidence. Be humble, be grounded, but know yourself, know your own thinking. Less input, more solitude. You cannot think smart if your brain is noisy. If you don't master solitude in this generation where you have a lot of people around you, then I am sorry to tell you that you won't be able to think smart, or you won't be able to touch your maximum potential. Real thinkers protect their mind space. For me, I don't make too much friends. If you ask somebody that how I am, I don't make friends too much because I know that if I make them friends, I have standards for having friends. Their problems will be my problems and I am going to involve them. So I just say that ki, if you need my help, let me know. If I need your help, I'll let you know. But it is not like ki, I am interfering everything which is happening in your life and I'm making it my own problem. Because I already have a lot of problems about myself, about my own life, how can I fix it. So it is okay, keep your mind by yourself till your own problems and that's it. Take 30 minutes every day for yourself, जहाँ पे तुम फ़ोन दूर रख देते हो, सिर्फ अपने ब्रेन के साथ बैठते हो, कोई सॉन्ग नहीं, कुछ भी नहीं. You're just doing brainstorming about an idea or about yourself or anything. Like you just need no distraction at that time and you're just thinking, using your brain, what can I do, or like say what can I do good in this project. The best ideas which I get to make content or to make project or to just customize my schedule, these 30 minutes help me a lot. So by the end of this video, I'm giving you 3 my daily thinking habits which will help you a lot. So if you want to follow, it is okay. If you want to refine it, it is more better. But if you just want to throw them away, then I hope you have some better thinking capability or ideas. So please let me see them in the comment section. Share them please. Here is how I apply all this in my simple life. Simple but powerful. जर्नल उठाओ सुबह सुबह, उसमें जो भी तुम्हारे थॉट्स आ रहे हैं उन्हें लिख दो. सेकंड थिंग, जो भी है, जो भी तुम जानते हो, जो भी तुम्हें दिन में टास्क कंप्लीट करने हैं उन्हें नोट डाउन करो. दिस इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट सो यू कैन अंडरस्टैंड दैट what you गोना डू इन दिस डे. नाइट क्वेश्चनिंग, बेड पे जाने से पहले एक रिफ्लेक्शन होना बहुत ज़रूरी है तुम्हारे पूरे दिन का. आस्क योर सेल्फ दैट व्हाट आर द थिंग्स विच यू मेस्ड अप, व्हाट आर द थिंग्स विच यू कैन गेट बेटर इन, एंड everything. Like, have a list. Like, if you just go to the Google and type there, give me some 5 questions for the self reflection of my day, then you will get it. And जो भी तुम्हें अच्छे लग रहे हैं वो questions pick कर सकते हो. Refining, this is what I'm talking about. If I just give you 3 questions, you're gonna write them down and gonna answer it. No, code by yourself, search it on Chrome. You might get 30 questions, pick 3 to 5 questions out of it and make your own systems. And the last thing which I do, वीकली साइलेंस सेशन, पूरा 1 घंटा जिसमें ना फ़ोन होता है ना कुछ भी होता है, कोई भी डिस्ट्रक्शन मेरे पास आ नहीं सकता. डोर लॉक कर लेता हूँ अपना एंड आई एम जस्ट सिटिंग इन माई रूम. माइट बी आई विल हैव सम बुक्स or I'm just thinking about something which is really important about me, about myself, about my life, my journey, or something like that. It could be my college upcoming exams or something like that, so that I can just do brainstorming. From that you get a clear vision about the things which gonna happen in the future. So if you're done with thinking like average dudes, I think you are done. If you understand this video, what are the pointers I have given you, take notes of these pointers and prove it that you are not an average dude by following it for 30 days. Drop a comment right now. I'll think 10x better than everyone, than average people, or anything which you like, or anything which you can tell that I should do. Any problem you are having, I am gonna reply you very early. So if you want more content like this, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, and share it with someone who needs it. Believe me, I'm not just gonna motivate you, I'm gonna make your mind sharper. And if you're subscribing me, this is not just about watching me grow, it's about growing with me. So thank you everyone.